that new camcorder that they sent me to test. I don't remember what brand it is, but it's basically a camcorder sized camera, not a GoPro sized camera. Again, we're just testing video and sound quality, trying to see how these compare, what I could possibly do if I needed to switch cameras. And again, this is that camcorder, the 4K one, this time using the external wireless microphone just to see how it picks up the audio using a better microphone, because as I recall, the stock microphone on it's pretty low quality, and obviously if it can record the audio from the wireless one, that should be a huge improvement. This is the Akaso Brave 4. Just trying to get an idea of the sound quality, video quality. This is the original GoPro knockoff camera that I bought, the Akaso EK5000. And we're just testing it to see what the mic sounds like and the video quality. I'm remembering video quality is okay, but mic will be not so good. Looks like it's again got a little bit wider angle lens, which is certainly nice to have, but I don't know if this would be practical to be my main camera due to the audio quality. And there we go. And I guess I should do a test with the cell phone video camera just to see. I immediately notice it is much more zoomed in. I don't know. Yeah, that's as far zoomed out as it can go. So it's doing definitely a more close-up view. However, the video quality and the sound quality should both be excellent. So again, this is the cell phone, doing it as a video camera. Of course, the Panasonic. Again, just testing the sound quality, video quality comparisons, see how these cameras compare. Basically filming the same thing in the same lighting, the same sound quality, basically me just talking. So that's the Panasonic. Alright, this is the second camera that I got. It just says 4K Ultra on it. Don't know what brand, although I'm sure on the memory card it says what brand it is. But anyway, it's the second little GoPro knockoff camera that I got. And just again testing sound and video quality. It looks like it has a much wider angle lens, which is kind of nice. Again, my fear is sound quality will suck because it does not allow you to have an external mic. And now the Jolanson with the lapel mic that they include with it. Let's see how the sound is. I know when I'm driving with it, it's okay, but of course it's still, there's just a lot of road noise that it picks up, so it's not really a good talking to people microphone. So we'll see how it is when it's in the quiet garage like this. Alright, this is the Jolanson with the built-in mic. I don't expect sound quality to be very good with the built-in mic, but I think this one has a little bit better video quality than the Brave.